What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be installing my new Pro Clip mount. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing you the install, opening everything up. Here we go.
Red's joining us today.
You can help me out, Red? So it looks like this is the part that holds my phone. It should be adjustable. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, next up we got the piece that connects here on top of the car, which holds the phone mount. It says this is good for any Ford F150 2015 or later. So it's not just for the Raptor, it's for any F150 truck.
No one needs instructions.
Okay. So this clips up here. Looks like it holds to your air vent in the back by the window. And then this front portion just clips on in by your vent. Easy as that. That looks pretty sturdy to me. Okay, next up. Oh, it looks like I have to do this separately.
How you doing, Red? You enjoying the sun out here?
Okay, I probably do need those
just hanging out. Got the instructions.
Good as new. Yeah, so I did that part right. That part was super easy. And that's on there pretty firm. It's got some nice pads to protect your dashboard up here. And then there's also some 3M sticky pads under here. I haven't taken those off yet, but that is pretty firm. That's not going anywhere. What's up? We're back. It helps when you read the instructions. So I guess there's a little screw here in the middle. You just loosen that up. Then it says to lightly pull. It's just what we wanted. Okay, so this is the back plate of the phone mount, which goes on to this mount. So what we're gonna do, using the provided screws, we're just gonna screw that on, and then we can mount the phone. This is pretty sweet.
Red, are you dead?
Red, you're not a very big helper. You're not a very good helper, Red. Oh, almost lost that one. I would suggest not tightening all the screws until you get all of them in. That way you can make sure it's straight. Now that they're all in, you can tighten them up nice. And then, back to installing the mount. That's it. Woo! Check it out. It's not going anywhere. It's nice because it swivels So you can still tilt it. Let's check it out from over here. Okay, that's it. Short video, but that's how you install the Pro Clip in a Ford Raptor or an F150. Make sure you read the instructions, and pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. So, I like it. We'll test it out soon on the trails. Didn't even wiggle. Okay, first impressions. Super secure, and it does not cover my air vent, which my last one did. I don't know if I have it in here. I do. It was this. We'll cover the logo so we don't hurt their feelings. It would say here on my air vent, my whole foam would block the air, but then it would just sit and wiggle all around. So, I love it so far. It doubles as a mount for a video camera.